No, it's the no TP zone.
For real, bro. Bro, I really shared everything on the bottom, bro. Fed everybody, bro. This was a crazy run. We need the round two, though. We need to go crazy on the round two.
No, we got a couple weeks, I think, till
That's
round
what I'm
two.
saying, bro. We need to wait for the round two and then go crazy. No? Yo, what's good, gang? What's good, Carlos? What's up, Mr. Cheers? Let's look at Bitcoin. Cheese! Look at the Monday range. You think we get continuation, bro? What do you think, Steen? That's the week 4 Monday range.
Alts are suffering.
Yeah.
Need the AI bubble to fucking pop, and then crypto will go fucking insane. Once everyone takes profits on,
Yeah, the AI shit. Mm-hmm.
then we'll print. But until then, yeah, like alts are kind of down today.
Yeah, Dominance bounced a little bit.
Yeah, I was making on Bome for a little bit, and then just turned it off, and it was
Oh,
dust.
yeah, see? Dominance is bouncing hell.
Bro, is it fucking storming again outside? It's been stormy as fuck. Just super humid.
Look at the others too, bro. It's stuck. I mean, 23-day doesn't look awful though, but
PB, this is its own little microcycle though. Like this
that's what
isn't a
I'm saying.
traditional cycle. It's because there was no money in Bitcoin. Like it never rotated out or back in. I mean, or out. Hold on, now I'm tweaking. It's like it needs to go through everything. It needs to go through the motions again.
It needs to recycle, huh?
Because in my opinion, the only reason that any alts pumped even was because people were trying to position themselves early. I don't think that people are like. I don't think a lot of people are going to TP that shit. I think it's just going to be people who caught the top of it are going to be TPing and they're going to be getting stopped out, etc. And then I think it'll come back and do another one.
Yeah,
But
we
like
need the round
Bitcoin,
two, bro.
yeah, I mean, if Bitcoin continues here, I mean, I would say less than ideal. Honestly, I'd rather Bitcoin just do nothing. Honestly, and just have Bitcoin dominance slowly fall while Bitcoin does nothing. But you can't really expect a rotation to be that quick, though. Like it'll do its own thing, in my opinion. Like I think Bitcoin's going to be Bitcoin and Ethereum, especially, are both going to just be separate from literally everything else. But also, there's like I'm also this is another like mini little side research project I'm working on is dominance inflation, inflation in the total crypto market cap with how oversaturated it is with a lot of shit coins that you know they
Mhm.
might just be sitting. They might have gone to a couple $1 million market cap, and now they're just sitting at 100K. There could be 200 million of them. So dominance numbers are not as accurate as they've been previously, just because there's random shitters that just still have like bag holders that are just forgot about their shit because it's at zero basically. But it's still
Mm.
maybe like 1 million, 2 million in market cap. Like think about ON, like Mantra's dust.
Oh
It's
my
over.
God,
It's
bro.
never gonna
That
do
shit was
anything.
so
But like
scam.
exactly. But think about it, market cap wise. Like I'll look at it right now. Um, but like market cap wise, they still have at least 100 million, at least $150 million market cap. So that there's a million other tokens just like Mantra. So I think there's dominance inflation with certain things. So I think that like for example, bro, like realistically, bro, Bitcoin dominance is never going to go back to 90%. Like it literally is impossible. There's no way Bitcoin dominance could ever go back to 90%.
Mm.
But like 70% could be the new absolute top as like so that's
Yeah.
what I've been trying to figure out within like that research, this little like side project that I've been doing for the past couple weeks.
Mm.
But I'm just like very loosely working on that shit. I'm not really taking that too serious.
What you think, Jimmy? Teacher Jimmy, give us your insight.
I think USDT is about to. I mean,
What's your
on the
what's your
higher
what
time
you
frame,
yeah, what you see for the what you see for the week? Give
I
us
think we're
our
going.
give us our little
Okay,
breakdown, teacher Jimmy.
I was uploading some shit on YouTube. I wasn't listening.
Let's see Teacher Jimmy is sharing.
Um,
Okay, let's see.
USDT finna
Sheesh, that should look bouncy.
USDT finna bounce.
That should look bouncy, bro. That shit looks like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday lick coming, bro. Looks
Yeah.
like it. We're not gapping down with the new week shift. So time shift, no gap down.
Wait for Monday range.
Yeah, if we
This
sweep that,
little fa, and then I mean low key like
true.
you take that bitch up here.
Yeah, bro.
Mega shorts,
Something,
like we
bro.
kind of been
Yeah,
waiting.
see, we need, yeah, see, we're gonna get the 1-2, bro.
And
We're gonna
this
get
is
the mega
exactly.
1-2, bro.
Well, actually, that's nasty. Let's go to the 23 day.
See, bro,
We
Bitcoin
did
looks so
not.
strong, bro.
Bro, look at this shit. We thought we were just gonna come like fill up here. You know
Yeah,
what I mean?
no, that shit inversed. That's what I meant. That's why if we
Woo!
inverse that, bro, that's almost even a
Shit.
CISD, no, on the 23 day.
Yeah, bro. Fucking little breaky.
Yeah, bro, that shit is crazy for Bitcoin, bro. But that's what I'm saying. We still have so many time in the candle, bro.
Shit.
Like we still have 17 days till the 23-day close. So, bro, we could suck all the way back down, you know?
Look at ETH. Same shit.
You know?
Same shit. Same
That
shit.
shit did the mega inversion.
Yeah, bro. 23 day on ETH. Oof, fuck. Fuck, fuck,
We
fuck.
just need the mega 1-2, it looks like at this point.
But yeah, I mean, within this current range that we're kind of in, like it looks like we're failing. It looks like we're gonna start to see that leg down either today or tomorrow into Wednesday. We see the sweep and then
Yeah, that's
the
what
mega.
I'm saying.
But I think
Yeah,
we'll
bro.
definitely see shorts this week for sure.
We're gonna get something, bro. We need that higher low or something.
I really just kind of wait for this 6 hour and then like, all right, if I'm trading the new daily candle tonight, like I kind of want to see us gap down from here, maybe leave something like this, and then third 90 comes up, retest something like that. Just take the continuation of this low.
Type shit, huh?
That's like a perfect ideal scenario. Who knows what we'll see. But
So
6 hour
chopped
looks
though, and it's not gapping up, it's not gapping down.
no,
See,
no.
off of this daily gap, if we don't gap up, like I said, off of a gap, if we don't gap, then the order flow finna shift to the other way, at least for the short term, to the downside. And then you have all those licks
This
into that
like,
gap. You see that big ass gap down there? No, no, like the
oh,
big, like yeah,
motherfucker,
yeah,
this,
right, yeah, but the one above it, yeah, that one,
this,
yeah, but the top one.
yeah,
Yeah, that one, bro. It's right with the all the trendline liquidity, you know? You see how that you draw the trendline lick? Yeah, it's lining right with that gap, right? Yeah, so if we take all that and then hit there, then if we see a reaction, it would be a good something.
yeah.
Something to try there. But it looks bad till there. Because now we just generate a fuck ton of lick and we're not gapping up and we're making lower high.
We
So
are gapping down on the 23.
yeah, and we're not gapping
USDT is
up.
gapping up after we swept
That's
that low.
exactly, bro. This is yeah, the lick is coming, bro.
Yeah, this looks like the reversal. I'm not gonna
Yeah,
lie.
make
This
sure, guys, you guys make sure you guys took some good profit on the bottom moves, okay? Because
yeah, we
if
can't be
this
holding
thing
through those
starts
big
to,
ass pushes up.
yeah, if this thing starts to kick down, then
I mean,
shoo.
I TP'd on most of my positions. Like I have some small runners left, but everything is basically cut.
Yeah, that's to cut it, bro.
USDT won't go this second though. Needs to reclaim previous lick and then it'll go.
Yeah, it needs to reclaim that previous lick retest, and then that's what I was looking at. And then the value area high is right there now of the whole range. So we're coming right to the value area high retest. Nah, not from there. From the other
I'm
go to the 23 day. Go to
talking
the
about
20
this.
no 23 day. Not the whole one, but from the just pull it from the other high. Just pull it from the other top.
The
Yeah.
fucking trading view one sucks
Yeah, right
anyways.
there.
It's not even
Yeah, right
fair.
there. Yeah, exactly. You see how we're coming right to there? So if we you know what I'm saying? So that's the level, bro. That's the clear level as day, bro. value area highs right there, and everything's right there. So as long as we reject there, then that's just gonna shoot the fuck back up.
Yeah.
No doubt about it.
Only lets me do $12 max position size. What? What do you mean?
No, bro, some positions, bro, bro, it'll only let you do like $10,
That shit's
$100,
so
bro.
fucking annoying,
Bro, it's
bro.
so
That's so
gay,
annoying.
bro. That's why, bro, I just do it on spot on Coinbase because they don't on there you can do, 1,000, 2,000 if you want to. You know what I'm saying? But like
Didn't
but like some leverage, bro, because they don't have liquidity, bro. They don't have that much liquidity on the token. That's why like you can't just buy so much because then you'll just like launch the fucking chart, or nuke the chart. But either way, bro, that's just gay, bro. It's perfect for It's so size.
And those are the ones that'll actually move too.
Yeah, so size. It's perfect for so. I gotta make sure to tell him to take the Wu trade. He only puts $12 anyways. So's in Florida, Steam?
Yeah, he texted me the other day, said he was driving through North Carolina, but I'm imagining he was on I-95. That shit's pretty far from me. I'm probably like an hour and a half from me.
Damn.
I-95. It's the old stomping ground, bro.
Doing a
For
little
real.
scam here? USDT doing a little scam here?
Yeah, I was gonna say, you seen this?
Yep. Let's see if we can. Those are all
Long
lower
run.
high. It's not good liquidity below. We didn't break structure.
This shit's about to get smacked.
Yeah, that
NQ was
shit
so
is.
nice today. NQ was so clean.
Look at the
Right off
NAS
the 10
100.
a.m. No, I just traded NQ. I was gonna leave it wouldn't have hit my full TP anyways, but I became a little bit more reserved with my take profit. But still, like, bro, it's 125 points, not bad. Like
Ooh,
4.4 RR.
Irish.
Yeah, that shit looks like it wants to go long soon, bro.
No, don't
What,
say
NQ?
that.
Nah, no way. Honestly, like on the higher time frames, yeah, like I can see that. Like on the higher time frames,
Like
100%.
I'm
But
watching
like,
the previous lick right there. Like
no, yeah, I mean, I see what you're talking about. Like that's I'm seeing that too. But at the same time,
not
bro,
that one, the one below.
look at overall though, realistically, like
Yeah,
look at
that one.
overall what we're looking at. Like I don't know, bro. Structure is kind of like
Yeah, that's lower high after lower high after lower high after a lower low.
and then you have
So
like you'll have internal higher lows and higher highs
yeah,
and whatnot. But even
structure-wise,
still,
bro,
like
is no bueno, bro. Structure-wise, and NQ loves structure, so we gotta respect that. It's not like crypto where it does like a bearish structure and then all of a sudden flip into a
Yeah.
fucking bullish structure. Like NQ actually follows like traditional structure. Like crypto will dead ass do like a low, lower low, and then even a lower high, and then next move like gap the fuck up, and then structurally it wouldn't make sense, but it happens in crypto all the time. But NQ, it likes to follow the actual
and
structure. So
even if it did move from here, it wouldn't move much further,
yeah,
honestly.
probably a short covery. If it, you know what I'm saying? If it jumps, just covering shorts.
Like from here, absolute max, I would say, is probably just about like 10%, I think.
Hmm.
Maybe 15 at max, but I think 10% at absolute maximum.
Yeah, look how chopped we are. Ever since Saturday, we've been just chopped. So Monday open, Tuesday lick, Wednesday lick coming, bro. Setting up for it. You gotta be careful, guys. You can see a big lick coming. So make sure to book the things, guys. Teacher Jimmy, look at Turbo. Shh. Oh, that shit did the crazy move too, low key. Wow.
Everything had the fucking crazy lick. What the fuck?
Bro, it ate up the whole lick though. It
Yeah.
ate back the whole lick up. That's crazy.
Yeah, we're gonna talk about something else that you back to whole lick.
Yeah, let me see. Ooh.
Mr. Morphe.
Oh
Mr.
shit. Damn.
Look at that shit.
Damn. Oh, we're about to blast.
Yeah, look at that shit.
200K, bro. That shit looks like, yeah, bro. Bro, look at that, bro. This shit looks like it's in a bull run, bro, by itself, bro, to be honest. But we're really Team Morphe, though, for real, huh? We holding the ground, bro. And we got the Raiders running too now. And we're gonna pay for the thing soon. That's just gonna go crazy. I'm telling you, bro. Morphe Mafia, bro.
Oh, both of them. You were asking me about like kind of how I scalp. I just posted a YouTube video. It was from the TikTok live the other day. I'll send you that. Or should I call him Morphe? Got a Maxie's out on Morphe today. W top blast.
You said what? Bro, got like 18 million credit cards or what?
Yo,
What the
yo, your
fuck?
CCV is showing on one of them, bro.
Yeah, bro. One of them showing, bro. I already swiped it, bro. Be careful, bro. He's the swipe
For
master,
real,
bro.
and I thought
He's
I
the swipe
saw. Yeah,
master,
and
bro.
Eddie's here, bro. Eddie's
Yeah,
here.
he's the swipe master. So what? Look at that.
Eddie's here, bro. Be careful
It's
with the cards.
not mine. Yo.
Yay, bro. He's the real. He's the real swiper, bro. You know from Dora, that little thing that comes out, and then Dora's like, "Swiper, no swiping." That's this fool, bro. You know what I'm saying? The little thief, the little thief like animal that always comes out tries to steal the map and shit, and then
What a
fucking
dickhead.
yeah, bro. Look at that. He's the swiping master, bro. That's crazy. Yeah, that one right
There
there.
he is. There he is.
See, Dab knows what I'm talking about, bro. Exactly that, bro.
Oh, that's hilarious.
Swiper, no swiping.
Yeah, but this shit's at 147K market cap, bro.
Eddie,
It's
no
crazy.
swiping.
Look at
See,
the daily chart on Morphe, bro. Tell me
that's
this
the,
shit's not about to just keep going
that's
crazy.
perfect for Eddie, bro. See, that's how he sneaks up and swipes them for their bread every time. That's just crazy, bro. Nah, bro, you gotta ditch that old life, bro. You gotta burn those cards, bro. You gotta cut it up and throw it away, bro, into the recycle, bro.
Yeah, did we miss the
For real,
short?
bro.
We did.
That was the snack short off the lower high.
Yeah.
It's just giving snacks back to back, just like
I
for the scalps. Just keeps giving scalps like bink, 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 bink. See, when it's choppy, bro, it's good for scalping. I'm telling you, when market slows down, that's when you start to scalp. You
Bro,
know.
last night I was retarded, I'm not gonna lie.
What did you do, bro? Show me what
Caught
kind
a
of donut
beautiful move.
trade you took.
No, bro. Dude. You just call me a donut. That's crazy.
Let me see. You heard me, bro. That's the probably the softest thing I called you, bro. To be
Yeah.
honest, bro.
Alright, hold on.
Yeah, what did you do, bro?
All right, we're looking bullish, right?
Nah, to me, we're looking like no trade. Like
Don't care. We're absorbing going into third 90.
it looks
Come
like
on.
no trade, bro. We're balancing out after a mega move. So for me, that's like understanding, like value. I'm like, no, I don't want that because, like, bro, like we stretched out of value, and then now we're like forming this little value where dumb money wants to, FOMO in. So it's just like I'm like, nah, I'm just not good. That's why I said I'm not gonna do anything, you know.
Bro, I caught this short down because I
And
wanted to take the long off of this low, right?
okay,
This is where I wanted. So third 90, I wanted to see us come down, sweep the low, go fucking long, right?
okay,
I'm in the short from here. Boom, comes up, break evens me. I take that bitch again, comes down, retest the low. I got break even twice,
man. Oh no.
and then it went long. We never. I mean, I don't know. I went to bed
See,
at this
that
point,
was
but
the long. Yeah, that was the long.
yeah, but yeah. Realistically, long was this. Or back here, wherever you wanted to take it. But like, we're just failing off of this level. But yeah, I was trying to short it down to that low, and I thought you'd get a kick out of that. So I was here, bink, got break even, then I took that bitch again.
Damn. Damn.
Yeah, I was low key just like, I don't know. It's hard to say whether I was being greedy or not because I had size on it, but I just like I was targeting the low, and that kind of cooked me.
Hmm.
So I don't know. I ain't watching your video anymore. Nah, low key don't. I'm not even profitable, bro.
He said, I ain't watching your video anyway.
Here,
Oh,
this video,
fucking dead.
I gotta break
Nah,
even twice.
but the thing is, bro, like I said, bro, this is why even when you're scalping, incorporate what it looks like on the higher time frame. Like genuinely, like do you like go to like 6 hour, and look at it? And then like look where you try to take those trades. You can't even see it, right? But either way, like that,
Wait,
like
that's a
think of it. Yeah, you can't even see your trades, bro. This is the hold on. Let me see. Yeah, bro. Let me see if we can see
yo.
your
Hold on.
trades, bro.
Yeah, I cooked
Yeah,
with.
bro. See, look, you can't even see the trades. You see what I'm saying? This is why in that state I wouldn't trade because there's nothing tradable. Like 6 hour has to be gapping, there's no gap, no nothing. For me, there's no trade. This is what I mean. Especially if we came up, gapping up, gapping up, gapping up, and then we stop gapping and we go sideways. That's where it's like I know not to do anything and just retain my profit. Like we made all the money coming up. It's not like we didn't catch the move. Then, like, cool. Then you want to take some trades. I get it. But, like, we caught all the moves. We made all the money. We took all the profits. So, you know what I'm saying? We just gotta take that shit home, is what I'm saying. And then just relax. And then it'll naturally give us a better trade. You know what I mean? On Tuesday, Wednesday. But and then that logic plus look at the 6 hour. There was literally no trade. Like it wasn't gapping up, it wasn't gapping down. So it's just like for me, I'm just like, okay, that's low probability. So and hence it's just low probability, even on the lower time frame. That's why it just chops around back and forth, back and forth. You gotta be quick, you just gotta take the little leg. Take the little leg and then get the fuck out. But that's just tiring.
Nah, I love that shit. I'm gonna do
I
it again
I
today.
know I know you love it, but that shit makes me fucking. I think I'm too old for that, bro.
That's my bread and butter, bro. Third
That's
90 every night. Even, bro,
if
I don't even care. Like, this is dead ass what I was trading too.
bro was trading middle of that chop range, like he was
I
gonna
caught
catch,
this, bro.
like he was
I
gonna
was
smack the
look, look
low
at
and
look
then
at how many
smack the
times he
high.
tested my bro. This was the wick. I'm like, yo, bing, take the short on this 23 minute. Nope, doesn't take the low.
See the
Take the short
moment.
on.
See, look, this is what I'm saying. The moment it says low, lower, low, higher, low on the 90 minute. Why don't you just long it? Is what I'm saying, bro. If
Bro,
anything.
because I was stubborn. That's why I'm showing you.
Ah, see, bro, you just gotta listen to what I teach, not be stubborn, bro. If you just listen to the Onlywicks plan, then you
Listen,
you you
it can
you take
happen here and there. Cause watch
it's
tonight.
cool. Yeah, you have to
You're gonna see
bluff
like
out.
11:09 p.m. Be like, bing, $1,000. What the fuck?
$1,000 shoes.
Yeah.
Yep.
11 p.m., like, bro, it was so clean too. Gave the open high, gap down.
Mega Blizzard.
Like, you can't tell me this shit's not clean. Built
For a
up all this.
scalp, yeah.
Yeah.
For
Oh,
a
I know you
scalp,
don't wanna fucking you don't wanna hold this, but
yeah, for a scalp, that's full scalp leaf. You know? Like if that was the on the 23 day, I would take that. You know what I mean? But not on the 1 minute though. On the 23 day though, I'll take that shit. What else? See, look, it bounced again. And then it's just I told you it's just going back and forth. Ping
Oh,
pong,
there's
ping
good.
pong, ping pong, ping pong. You can't have like one direction bias. You know, it just goes long and then it looks like it's gonna go short, and then it's gonna look like, oh, we're gonna go down, and then goes right back up, and then
Thought I was about to find a 100x play. I'm more lost than yesterday.
welcome to trading, brother. I told you, you're gonna have to go through the lostness for a minute, bro.
Yeah, it's a
You're
fun
gonna
one.
have to be. You're gonna have to be a lot lost a little bit.
Yo, Tory trades, trend line break.
Oh, retest, take short. That's the short setup, brother.
Yeah, it
That's
is.
the. That's the. That's
Wait,
the. Wait.
another trend line.
Oh my God. Which
Both of them
one's the
said,
real one?
"Oh, bro, she could get it."
They're freaky,
Both of them said it, bro. Not me.
freaky ass. Hey, you didn't
I might
disagree to it.
agree. I might
Exactly.
agree.
No, I'm with him. I'm with both of them on that.
Because he comes out the case, I'm with it.
Oh, shit.
I'm fucking dead, bro. Bro, y'all can't be lost, man.
Lost in the Tory
I'm
trade sauce,
lost in
bro.
the sauce, bro. For real. See, now everything's gapping up again. Build some lick up.
Straight range.
Hmm. Hey, but look at Sui on the 23 day. I'll give you guys a mega setup, bro.
I'm still holding Suey.
I know, but just look at this, bro. This is look. Last time I gave Sui the mega setup, you see that 1-2? You see that 1-2 from last time? Yeah. I gave it off of that higher low right there. Yep, and all of us we ran it all the way to that high with the time shift, all the way to the top, bro. Just yeah, all the way, and then time shifted, we TP'd, and then now look, bro. And then now look, we came all the way back. Draw a box from the higher low. Just draw a box on the higher low from where we took it. Yeah, we came right back to rebalance that now. So this is the buy level again. Simple. This is the buying zone again. So you buy it in spot. Or just do stupid low leverage and then you just stack the position up in that level. You know what I'm saying? And then that's easy free money to the top.
Yeah, I'm still holding my long down here.
Yeah, but this one, like I'm holding it to the top, not like halfway or nothing, like to the high. Like, yeah, to the high. Yeah. And then yeah, and then TP. Yeah.
Yo, XRP really, I faded this so hard.
So hard. We share the setup
Dude,
too.
I faded this so hard. I took that bitch to like, what, here? Made like 15%. I was like, oh, bang.
Bang!
What the fuck? Dude, I had it. Dude, yeah. That one was not expected. I won't lie. I was not expecting
Why?
that.
Why? Just trade the price and the structure, just like how you would have, bro. Tell me if
Yeah,
that was
I
the
would
1 minute. No. Think if that was the 1 minute, is exactly right there. What you have drawn would have been your target type shit. No.
Yeah, but then I'm still not TPing on any of the other ones. You feel what I'm saying? We're like, I guess, yeah, no, that's true. But I hear what you're saying.
Yeah.
I hear what you're saying.
Yeah. See what I mean? I know you can't just go everything together is what I'm saying. They're all gonna play a little differently. So you're gonna have to go off of what it's going off of.
Look
Look
at
at
how
Tao too.
fucking beautiful of a bottom this
Bro,
is.
that's what I'm saying, bro. I literally gave
Oh,
bro,
now
look
it
how
actually does. What is this, like the teacup handle? What do they
yeah,
call
yeah,
this?
yeah, yeah, cup and handle, but that's the banana pattern right there. That's where it starts to form an arch. You know what I'm saying? Yup, and then it's gonna ride that. Yeah, bro. It's gonna ride that exactly, bro. Nah, it's gonna ride that bitch. You know what I'm saying? But either way, that's just gonna give another chance. I can feel it. And you see the trend line lick brewing above it, right above, bro. This shit is crazy, bro. Tell me this is not a mega setup, bro. And zoom out. This is nothing. Zoom out. Zoom out, bro. Phew. And that's all just lick. So this is again gonna go all the way to the high again. So that's the setup. That's the setup.
Might have to load on higher low.
Yeah,
Bro,
bro.
that boy Bo cooked.
You think so?
Cooked on everything, bro. He took
Yeah,
all the
bro.
swings,
Yeah, he
took more.
did, bro.
That's what happens, bro.
How much money did you make, Bo, this month, bro?
He's
Let
got
me
to be
let me
over
let
10.
me let me
He
be
got
proud, bro. Let me be proud. Let me hear something, bro. How much bread did you make this month, bro? Yeah, let me hear something pretty, bro. JD made the max position for the
it.
he got just enough for max position for the Wu trade, guys. Oh fuck, bro. That's
More for
crazy, bro.
that, bro.
Bro, Minky was telling me he made like 7 bands too. I'm like, what? Bro, for Minky, that's crazy, bro.
You see
And then
Martin Shkreli fucking
and then
launched a meme coin,
and
bro?
then yeah.
Who did?
Hey,
That
and then
shit's crazy.
and then JDE, bro, fucking Ill made fucking like 12 bands. So even if Ill made 12 bands, guys, and if you guys made no bread, bro, true, that's an issue, huh? What do you think?
I think, yeah, I mean, you should have made money this month, bro.
No, regardless of what, bro, look how many setups I shared.
Yeah, you should have made money this month, bro. I don't know what to
There's
say.
no excuse this month for
Yeah, no,
not
this
making money.
like the money was on the table. You just
On
had to
the
actually.
table back to back. You just have to show up, be active, and then just ask questions if you don't get it, and then just take them trades. But if you came late now after all the moves happened, now you gotta wait. Now you gotta wait for a new setup. But fuck,
Bro, I
bro,
know
this
Steen's
run
up.
was crazy,
Dude,
bro.
Steen's a silent ninja. I'm sitting up here like, oh, up 10K, 13K, whatever. I know Steen's up good this month, bro. He's just not
Because
set.
it doesn't matter until you take it to the bank, and I'm going retirement, or I'll let it go back to zero.
Oh, shit.
I'm not gonna retard fumble this one in TP. I'm not even doing anything more than like 5,
Yeah,
10% TPs at first targets. I'm serious.
all the spot. There's no
No, I'm
TPs
not
on
talking about
that
spot. I'm
bitch.
talking about
Oh,
perps too. Like
oh.
I'm talking like this is shit's gonna be. I'll be
So
seven
you're just
figures, or I'm gonna
so
just be
you're
at the
just
same
gonna
spot I'm at
so
now.
you're just gonna just build position pretty much and just that's it.
Yeah, I'm gonna retard it. I'm telling you, that's literally it's
I mean, that's the way to
it's
go.
some good advice I received, bro. Because it's like, bro, if you say your shit at break even, you get hit break even. It's not gonna get worse than where you're at now. You just didn't make the money, didn't take it home. But
Hmm.
if this truly is like the promised fucking run, um, which
Yeah,
realistically I think there's an actual chance of it being so. And in my opinion, like
Bro, just off Morphe, bro.
I've previously
Joe.
talked about this being the last cycle you'll ever fucking see entry on any
Exactly.
shit
Yeah.
anywhere
This
close to
the
this.
test run.
And if
Yeah.
I'm right, then I'll fucking bro, I'll never have to do any. I won't even have to trade again. In 2 years, if I'm right, I'll never have to trade again. I'll never have to
Yeah,
do
bro.
anything again.
I think so, bro.
So like
Yeah.
that's kind of what I'm banking on. I mean, bro, that's obviously sure. It sounds great in your head when you're thinking like, damn, I'm really gonna print like crazy. Like, oh yeah, that
Nah,
shit
but
sounds
it's
awesome.
possible.
But
It's very
in my
possible,
opinion,
though.
it truly is, because when you look at Bitcoin and the price of Bitcoin, look what happened. Go back like a long time ago to when everyone used to be like, nah, 13K, bro, 13K. Everyone used to be like, nah, it'll be 13K, bro, 13K, and it was 15K, and everyone got shit on. None of those people made any money. Like
We
literally,
made
none of
bread,
them made
bro.
any money.
We really
Now,
bought that shit
realistically,
at
I don't think
15.5.
realistically, I'm not gonna mess with Bitcoin, but like a couple alts do 1,000% for me, and I'm like good.
We're done.
Like that's game
Plus
over. I'm
Morphe,
done. I'll
bro.
probably
Just on
start
Morphe,
trading on.
bro. Just on Morphe, bro. Easy 1 mil. Just off Morphe, bro.
Not even that though, but like just in general, some of these setups, bro. Like
That's what I'm saying,
realistically,
bro. That's my
if
point. Just
Bitcoin
get
and everything
Morphe.
else doesn't
Even
go
everything
now,
failed.
like if Bitcoin and everything else doesn't go and doesn't do what I think it's going to do, then the absolute worst that's going to happen is I made no money on this run, which I don't even care about, because on the other side of it, like this shit is like, this could potentially be, if Bitcoin goes to all-time highs, you'll never see Bitcoin at 60K. You probably won't even see Bitcoin at sub 70K if that's were to happen. And I don't want to
Mm-hmm.
end up like the people that got caught lacking and were like, even like, bro, like I just think back to when it was 13K.
Yeah, bro.
Everyone was, it's 13K, bro. Like at 13K, that's the bottom. I'll retire. Once it hits 13K, I'm full port and I'm gonna retire. And then
And
it
you
hit
never got the
15K,
chance.
no one bought. And then in literally like, bro, and then in
I even
literally
gave the
like, I don't
24K
even know,
entry off
bro.
a
Like
higher low.
think about it. Like in literally like what, a year, that shit was up 300%. Like the
Mm-hmm.
cycle's fucked and it's not accurate anymore, in my opinion. None of that shit's gonna matter anymore. The halving doesn't matter. The traditional
Yeah,
cycles don't
halving's
don't
been
matter. Like
broken, though. Halving's
that shit's,
been
yeah, that shit's
broken.
dust. And then look at what happens. Look at what's been happening with NQ, bro. Like that, it's like traditional cycles and financial markets are no longer accurate representations of what proper pricing would be. Like the stock market is
That's why we just
absurdly
go year by
inflated.
year, bro. Year by year,
If
year
you look
by
at all the
year.
bonds and everything, like realistically, bro, the stock market, it's fucked. Like it's really
Mega
truly
fucked.
fucked. The AI bubble is even more fucked. And yeah, I have two different theses about AI that don't really matter. But either way, bro, think about the amount of money that people made on AI and where it's going to go next. Especially with Trump knows what he's doing, bro. With Hyperliquid, I'm telling you,
Yeah,
bro. I
it's
have this
going into
shit.
crypto. It's a rotation,
I
bro.
have
I'm
this.
telling you.
This isn't. It's no longer like a technical analysis thing for me, bro. It's just I've been doing this shit for so fucking long that I kind of just I know. I just know.
It's
I
just
mean, I could be
there.
wrong, but like it's like, bro,
There's
think about it.
more. It's mag.
Everyone with the jelly shit, everyone with the jelly shit, literally was on the timeline talking about Hyperliquid's bullshit, Hyperliquid's
Yep.
ass,
Bro,
and
we
I
baited
was
that.
like literally
We
one of
were
the
the
only
one
people
that's
that publicly
exactly,
bought
bro.
the bottom of Hyperliquid when
Bro.
no one else believed in it. And that's
Bro.
not a technical thing. Like, bro, there's no technicals that you can use to catch the bottom of Hyperliquid at that time. Like, there's simply nothing that
Time
you
and
can do
price,
technical
bro.
analysis
It
wise.
was just,
Not even time and price either. Like,
bro.
it's the
Look
time
at
and
it. Go
price
look
shit.
at hype, bro. Tell me it's not at the GP turning right into January, bro. It's
I mean,
basically,
yeah,
bro.
like
It's
that's when we were
no.
taking
Look,
swings on everything.
no,
But
no. You
like,
gotta look at it on no. You gotta look at it on Bybit USDT.P. Yeah, tell
that's
me.
where
Look.
I only chart.
Tell me that's not a technical 1-2 bottom setup, bro.
I'm
Tell me,
retarded when
bro.
I
But
fucking
no,
trade.
I know
That's
you really bottom
in my
folded that shit, bro. That's crazy, Jimmy. Oh
I
my
literally had this shit on the 1 minute too, bro.
bro,
This
bro, I
is
gave this bro to Jimmy on the bottom, and he took it. He took it like a monster, bro. And then he folded
bro.
it after a little candle, bro. But if he
I
left
was
it, that's 200K, bro. He did 1K 50X on the bottom tick. If he let that run, that's 200 bands, bro, off of $1,000.
bro, I didn't even trade
You
it.
would have been done. You would have been bull run done by yourself. You would have been exiting the market. You're chill. You know what I'm saying?
That was AI, bro. It's
No, but
not.
Steen, that was hella 1-2, bro. Right with the time shift, bro. That's why it
I
was
mean,
like
I
I was
guess,
so
bro, but the only
convinced, bro.
reason it would have dipped like that is because it was getting flooded
Yeah, it
by
was
people in
fun
the
too, and
jelly
that's
hack.
the point, and that's the point. That
But
sums it
I
all
know
up.
what you're saying. I know
You
what
know,
you're
that
saying,
sums it
though.
up because to us that's like FUD, but then it gives giving like a technical, like textbook
A
setup to
little
us.
extra. Yeah.
Exactly. To us, that's textbook, you know. To people that looks bad. To us, that looks like, oh shit, that's the that's the setup. You know what I'm saying? And then the FUD came in at the same time, so we just knew that's like, oh, okay. They like
Yeah.
put one and one together. Chart looks bad. FUD coming in 1-2 previous. Boom coming in. Time shift. Like it was a good play, bro. But nobody really believed in it at the time. You were right. Like everybody said, "Oh, this is not gonna do anything," and then boom.
Bro, it's gonna be like the same. Like, bro, like realistically, if you truly believe in your own mind that this is the bull run, you would be a complete idiot to sell all of your bags
Exactly.
yesterday or today
Yeah.
or next week even. Like that, you would just be. It would be stupid. Like it would be like selling Hyperliquid. You get a $10 $0.60 entry on Hyperliquid, and then you sell it at 15 for 50%. Like that, in my opinion, is like what I'm not gonna do. Is what I'm definitely not gonna do. Because at this point, like, bro, like as long as this is the bottom, if it is the bottom and this is truly the bull, bro, I'll never take profit. I will simply do the same shit that everyone, like, think about all of the complete idiots that got rich on, bro, Brett and Brent and Pepe and all of that and Whiff and all of that shit, bro. It's because they were just fucking retards, basically, in the nicest way possible. They're complete dumbasses. James Wynn, a dude who can't even form a proper sentence, made 100 mil on fucking Pepe by literally just holding. And so, like, I don't know. I personally believe that the cycles are fucked and they're all completely off. And that, like, I mean, maybe not for Ethereum, maybe not for Bitcoin, but I easily see the alts that I have loaded being able to do 500%.
Bro, that's
100%.
minimum, bro. That's minimum,
Chainlink,
bro.
like, bro, I have
Bro,
Chainlink at my same entry I had it at 2 years ago. I have
Bro.
a lot of, like, bro, Chainlink at my entry 2 years ago. Think about 500% is only 100% past the
Big.
Chainlink all-time high. Like, if you, like, I physically am not taking profit here because if this, like, I'm only taking these swings because I think it's the bull run and it's the alt season. And, like, previous time, sure, I understand taking profit. It wasn't really showing signs of being an actual traditional alt season. But like this time, like, bro, Trump is artificially going to make the fucking alt season happen. And especially, bro, Hyperliquid is going to beat out fucking Coinbase in the next 5 years, guaranteed. Like realistically, and as well as in my opinion, I think even Matt, like Pease was saying this, and I agree with him too. I think that crypto is basically at 80% maturity, bro. Like realistically, there's not much time that you have left to really make money in crypto, like life changing
This
money
is
in
the
crypto.
last times. Exactly.
Like you might be able to make like, you might be able to make like, I don't know, like a mil or two with like 100K, but like you'll never like in 5 years from now, bro, it's not going to be like you can take 100K and make 40-50 mil. Like it's, I don't know. I don't think that's, in my opinion, I just don't know if that's even going to be possible 5 years from now. And then I think 10 years from now, I think crypto is just going to be
like
the new
like
fiat.
NQ. Exactly. It's just
It's going to be Bitcoin's. I mean, Bitcoin already is a store of value at this point. And think about strategy, bro. Like the MicroStrategy, they're going to buy up fucking everything. There's nothing left for them to really OTC. The market, like it's already, the market literally is already becoming more and more efficient, like every singular day. And that's just from like talking to like a couple people in like the high frequency game. Like market is actively getting more efficient because there's more institutional activity. So in my opinion, I mean, I'm being a complete idiot though. Like I'm being a complete dumbass by not taking profit on anything. Because if it comes back, then it's like, damn, Steen, you fucked up. Should take profit. But even at that point, I'm still not going to care because I don't care. Like it's either go big and retire or just do nothing and be a bitch. So it's like I'd rather just I caught the bottom on a decent amount of stuff that I believe in. So I'm just leaving it at that, and I'll probably just let it see if we can let things rip and that I can retire. Because if it's like, bro, you got to think, bro. Like if you're full TPing, like even if you're TPing half of your positions, like, and you truly believe that what we just had was the bottom, if you're TPing half of your positions, bro, you don't believe that was the bottom. In my opinion. Because I think that realistically, the opportunities that present themselves now in crypto aren't going to exist. Even aren't going to exist. Half of them won't even exist in 5 years from now. But I really think 10 years from now, I think that at max you'll be able to hit 100%.
Yeah, we just need to juice it now, bro.
That's my plan. That's my plan. Like Sermit.
Don't be a pussy. Yeah.
My friend Sermit. I don't know if you've met him before. Sermit, bro, he's a fucking complete idiot. But by just holding shit and having strong conviction in some shit that you really don't know if it's true or not, but having strong conviction anyways, bro, he flipped like Bro, he literally flipped like 300K into like 40 mil. Like, and he's 24. He's 24 now, bro. Like, that's crazy numbers. He just trades for the love of the game. So I'm trying to I was talking to him, and so I'm trying to do the same shit he did, basically. Which, in my opinion, I really wouldn't recommend doing it. Like, but at the same time, I'm just kind of going for it. So we'll see.
Yeah, because I feel like next cycle, no matter how much bread you have, it won't be the same. You know what I'm saying? Like this
Yeah.
This
cycle, you
cycle
gotta
wasn't even the
size in.
same.
Yeah,
This
you just
cycle
gotta
wasn't
size.
even the same, bro. No,
That's what
no
I'm saying, bro.
altcoins went to all-time highs unless they were created this cycle.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Look at bro. I need to fucking bro. Damn. CRV looks crazy.
But in addition to that, though, I did forget to say I do also hedge. Like, I'm very big. Like, I hedge literally everything. Like, absolutely everything. So it's a little different than just bag holding. Like, so instead of taking profit, I'm just hedging.
Yeah.
So it's a little different. It's definitely a little more risky in terms of making money, but it's a lot less risky than not making anything. You know what I mean? So
Mm-hmm.
I did forget to say that. That probably made me sound insane without saying that I was hedging. So I'm just gonna hold everything to fucking. I'm hedging everything.
Yeah,
What's up?
definitely a hedge. Oh shit. What's up, Unc?
Unkmeister,
Sounds like it.
what's up,
What
Unk?
you guys doing?
Monday Live. What do you mean what you guys doing? I'm doing the Monday Live. Just
Nice.
talking about just talking
I'm tweaking,
about
man.
just talking about how we can make some fucking money. For some big money, you know?
Want to be made.
Yeah. We're talking about how this time is the, like the last time that you can really load, and make crazy money. Type shit, man.
Yep.
Oh, and going back to that too, another thing as to why I'm just gonna keep holding everything and hedging is because, bro, like realistically, if this becomes overly efficient, the average person isn't going to outperform like they're not going to be able to outperform the market. Like, why not just take one swing? If it's the bottom, it's the bottom. You never like you don't even have to take. You don't have to try to take the higher low long. You don't have to try to take the whatever. Like, you just you take it with leverage and some size, and then you're good. But I think on, like, the Wall Street cheat sheet hack, you know what I'm talking about? Like that shit that I'm talking about.
Mm-hmm.
I think we're at the denial. I think we're at denial on that shit, to be honest with you.
Mega denial. Huh.
Yeah. I don't
Mega,
know, bro. I
mega
think Trump's
denial.
really about to go all, like, bro, think about it. His entire family can't even be audited by the IRS, dog. Like, he bro, and think about the nature of crypto. He could, like, it's literally in his best interest to never go into another or start another venture ever again and just make the rest of his money from crypto. Like,
Yeah.
they can't get investigated. They can literally not pay their taxes and not get in trouble for it. Like, and I think crypto is the easiest way for them to do that shit.
Easiest way. 1000%.
It's that I'll send it in the chat. This is what I'm looking at. I don't know. I got conviction. I've been saying that the cycle's off and that shit's not right and that we never got an alt season. Realistically, even if this is alt season, like, it should be a good one. And it should go. Shit should go.
I mean, we didn't have a real one last time, bro. So if this
No,
is
I
not
know, but
it, it doesn't make sense.
that's also though, Jay, why I didn't take any, like, low market cap altcoins. I only took high and mid cap altcoins.
Exactly. I have more
So I'm
conviction for
playing it a
the.
little bit different because I think the alt season is going to change. Because realistically, my main thesis is that AI bubble will probably burst, or it might not. Who knows? But I
I think
think a
it's
lot of
gonna
the money
burst.
that's going to rotate. I think a lot of the money that's going to rotate from TradFi to crypto. That's literally where the money's coming from. Is literally TradFi to crypto. Like there's a literal exact like basically inverse correlation between the two right now.
You
Bro, they're
want to know
not like
my
realistically, they're not going to be buying like they're not going to buy shit coins. Like they're not going to buy my alts that mean absolutely nothing. Like they're going to buy stuff like Chainlink and Hyper. Like from an investor standpoint, so those are the people who made all the money on the AI shit and all the everything. So I think that's why I personally took like Aave and Chainlink and etc.
I think we will have a massive run on the meme coins in the beginning, and then the market will dump again. And after the market will dump again, creating the higher low, then the shift will happen to back to DeFi like back in the day. When the shift happened from DeFi to memes, we had 2021 and 2022 where everything that was DeFi had the run. The memes were like barely getting launched but do nothing, also ending the NFT era, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So then we had a run up on the DeFi stuff. Not so crazy though. And then we dumped again. And after the dump, memes came alive and they went crazy.
That's
So
that's what I think.
I think now we will have memes going crazy probably, And I think there will be a shift after we create the higher low where the shift will go to DeFi, to like stuff like Link, like actual utility tokens, that protocols and stuff like this,
Yeah, and what
Because
do you think about me saying that like realistically, the way this cycle looks and how future cycles could potentially look, do you think that would be like the legitimate last time to buy it before people start getting priced out?
Yep. 1000%.
on some projects, yeah, but I think that if if the market will finally stabilize, and then you will not have cycles where BTC will do 60% corrections, because this is what I think it's gonna happen eventually, even with ETH, and Solana probably.
It'll just
I
get more
think
efficient.
they will act more like a stock where you don't have big retracement, but I still think there will be opportunities on the project layer of things,
So
Yeah,
like,
like I
yeah.
think that it'll be like meme coins will eventually become the good meme coins, like stuff like Morphe and stuff like that's like legitimate memes, not like shit coins that are like based on like current events and shit, like actual
Not the
projects.
trends. Yeah, not the
Actual,
trends.
actual projects like that. I think that those will be considered if they have any type of utility. Those will be the new,
Yeah,
penny stock to.
I think that it's possible that a meme can have a utility, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But I don't think that that will happen like now. I think it will happen slowly,
Yeah, I'm
But
thinking.
also
I've been speaking.
I'm speaking about also like projects, bro, like real project, like let's say that you want to do like a audit company where